Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add body effects to your videos on CapCut PC. So select the video you want to add the body effects to. I'm just going to select this one, and then you're just going to select effect here, and you're going to scroll down until you find body effects. And here's where you can just go and select any body effects that you want to add. Actually I'm just going to use this dancing one, and it adds a really cool video effect to your video on CapCut PC like that. Just press the plus button and you can add more than one if you'd like to. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.